Is the pool ready yet?
Just a few more hours. If only you could clean the pool for me, boy.
Dogs can't clean pools, silly.
Is it ready yet?
Cleaning your pool manually is hard work. It takes forever and it's practically a pulled muscle waiting to happen. Until now. Meet the Maytronics Dolphin robotic pool cleaner. He loves cleaning pools.
He? Does he have a name?
You pick the name.
Scuba, Stan!
A clean pool is literally at your fingertips. Take a breather, Dad. Scuba Stan will take it from here.
Yay!
Dolphin Cleaner scrubs your pool surface and removes even the tiniest particles, grime, sludge, and other debris. Dolphin Cleaner will be the best friend you wished you always had. He'll give you time to do things you'd rather be doing, like watching TV, barbecuing, or watching paint dry. Let's face it, before the Dolphin Cleaner, anything was more fun than cleaning your pool. It's like having a second filter, which takes a load off your main pool filter and pump system. There's no need for annoying pumps, pump hoses, or extra chemicals to operate. And its topside filter basket makes it super easy to clean. And Maytronics offers several models to fit your specific needs.
Get involved!
A Dolphin is the best thing you'll ever buy for your pool. The Dolphin Cleaner is like a member of the family, and unlike you, he enjoys cleaning your pool. Don't feel bad, boy. Wintertime is just around the corner.